All right, Peter Ben Armin again. This is part 2 of the tutorial on how to make these bitGANs, or the training data to make them. So here's what training data looks like. These are very colorful. So I want to show you how in your set you can actually change the colors. So everyone remembers we did this in the first one. We went through from start to finish, and we made a whole set of training data right there. So I am going to show you color manipulation. Let's concentrate on this part right here, colors by name. These are the basic colors we have an option to do, and these are basically how we tell it to repaint the layers. I don't like how colorful the background is, so what I want to do is I want to take the texture and start doing some interesting things with it. So here's the texture color. I'm going to rename it white, comma, gray, comma, black. Okay. So now, like I've specified that in the texture layer, you know, like just to repeat for people coming into this and don't remember the last tutorial, a bitGAN is made up of 6 layers: a background, on top of the background is a texture, on top of the texture is a body, on top of the body is a head, on top of the head's a face, and on top of the everything is an overlay. So I'm going to try and take a lot of the color out of the background, and like, you know, I might do with this one, I might do the same thing. I might do white, gray, and black for the body, but I also want some blue. Nah, I want some white, gray, and black. I want some like muted colors, like maybe mint, turquoise. I never know how to spell turquoise. I have to. Oh, you gotta make it all cap. Turquoise and cyan. So you know we're getting grays and blues, and it looks like I spelled turquoise wrong. There's no in there. Okay. Alright, so now the body is going to be just white, gray, black, mint, turquoise, and cyan. Now the head, what do I want to do with the head? Let's make the head reds, right? So let's start with violet, magenta, pink, red, and orange. Alright, so that's a good 5 colors. The head's going to be pretty bright. And now about the face. Interesting about the face. You know what's funny? I want the face to be really boring. I want the face to always be black. I want the face to be black and gray. Now remember, the face is the, just to give you guys a reminder, the face here's the head that we're repainting, I think reds, and the faces are this. They're already black and white, but we're going to replace the black and white with black and white. We're just going to make it kind of boring. And then the overlay color. Let's go with the overlay color being the rainbow. The overlay color will be the rainbow, so we know we're getting a lot of colors. That's pretty simple. So that's what I did, and I saved it. Now the other thing you can do is, let's say you have, actually, you know what, I'm going to do this just to show you guys. Let's say you have a color you really like. Let's say you want to add, oh, sorry, hold on, where'd it go? Let's say you wanted to add my color. You have a color and you want to just make a special color. I don't know what your color is, but you can name it anything and then just make a color. Add it. I don't even know what this color is. Let's see, it's a dark color. It's not a very good color, but I'm just making colors up. And then let's add this my color to, you know what's funny? Let's make my color let's add it to the overlay color. Now my color will appear once in a while in the overlay color. Okay, so that's how you can add new colors. Just use the ones I provide, and then here's where you define what they do. Got a little off track there. Let's get back on track and hit play. All right, we got a check mark there because I changed it. Now I need to run all the code again. Check. And maybe you don't, but I just do it just to be sure. It doesn't take long. Okay. Okay, and here we go. We're going to make 100 of these new. Let's go look up here, bitGANs. It's going to appear in this output. We're going to make 100 of these new ones using the new color code. Don't have an error. Work. It's working because usually it has an error. It has it fast. All right, it's done. Let's go look at our output. Oh, interesting. It only made 3. I don't know why I don't. Oh, no, I made a lot. Okay, there you go. But check it out. The background texture, these X's and zeros are gray and white and the light version of black. So it used those colors. Notice the bodies are always bluish, like we defined it. See the blue body? And the heads are always in the warmer color. So you got cold colors in the body, warm colors in the head, and that's a lot of cool training data right there. That's your output. Yeah, you can do this to any color, and that's the end of the second tutorial on how you manipulate the colors. I'm going to go ahead and start on the third tutorial, how to manipulate the pixels. Oh, notice we made black and white for the face. So look, the face is always black and white. The eyes aren't even colorful on this one. All right, cool. Now the next tutorial, tune in for part 3. I'm going to show you how to edit the layers themselves, and that'll be fun. We'll add a head, and we'll add a we'll add a head, and we'll add different eyes. All right, talk to you soon.